Today, you've got a fun challenge for you. We're going to show you how to create a successful meme coin in under 2 minutes. That's right, folks, we're going to lay out the blueprint for a meme coin sensation that'll have everyone talking. So buckle up and let's get started. Step 1. Find your inspiration. Meme coins thrive on humor, wit, and pop culture. Look for an internet-famous character, animal, or idea that hasn't been tokenized yet. Remember, originality is key. Think Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and our latest sensation, TTT Token. Step 2. Branding is everything. Create a catchy name and design an eye-catching logo that captures the essence of your meme. The internet loves a good acronym, so make sure your token's ticker symbol is memorable, like DOGE or SHIB. Step 3. Develop your token. Using platforms like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain, create your meme token with a smart contract. If you're not a developer, enlist the help of a friend or freelancer with coding skills. Or even better, use an AI like GPT-4 to generate your token code. Step 4. Launch with a bang. Engage your target audience through social media and crypto forums. Share your meme coin story, create hype, and build a community. Meme coins succeed with a strong, passionate following, so make sure to keep your supporters engaged and entertained. Step 5. List your token on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. This allows users to buy, sell, and trade your meme coin. Ensure liquidity by providing a portion of your tokens and an equivalent value in a stablecoin like USDT or Ethereum. Step 6. Marketing is crucial. Reach out to influencers, create memes, and share them on social media. Engage with your community and keep the momentum going. A successful meme coin needs to stay relevant, so always look for ways to create buzz and excitement. And there you have it. 6 simple steps to create a successful meme coin in under 2 minutes. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Creating a meme coin can be a fun and exciting adventure, but it's important to be transparent and ethical in your approach. As always, do your research and invest responsibly. If you want to know the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more cryptos 24 hours in advance, make sure to subscribe to our free newsletter at predator.co.